every sip is a sweet embrace. Burnt tongue but never a waste. Caffeine kicks my heart in trace. Your aroma sets the pace. Coffee love, oh coffee love, you're the warmth I'm thinking of. In my cup you rise above. Coffee love, oh coffee love. Late night talks and endless dreams, sharing secrets over cream. In the silence love redeems every moment like a beam. Rainy days in cozy nooks, lost in romance and good books. Coffee love with knowing looks, connection needs no second hooks. Coffee love, oh coffee love, you're the warmth I'm thinking of. In my cup you rise above. Coffee love, oh coffee love. Coffee love. Ooh, oh coffee love. Late night talks and endless dreams, sharing secrets over cream. In the silence love redeems every moment like a beam. Rainy days and cozy nooks, lost in romance and good books. Coffee love with knowing looks, connection needs no second hooks. Coffee love, oh coffee love, you're the warmth I'm thinking of. In my cup you rise above. Coffee love, oh coffee love. Ooh, oh coffee love. Floating through a galaxy with you beside. Stardust in our hair, our hearts open wide. Jumping from a comet to a neon moon, we'll paint the Milky Way with our own tune. Your eyes are like the stars, they shine so bright. Lost in spaceships, we'll drift through the night.